Did you know that every like, every search, and even every meme you scroll past is leaving a trace behind you online? Imagine if someone could read your digital diary, except you never wrote it. Well, that's exactly what your digital footprint is, a record of your entire online life. You might think that quick quiz you took last week, or that late-night dive into cute dog videos vanished into thin air. But what if I told you those moments are woven into a massive tapestry of data about you? Today, we're peeling back the curtain on your digital footprint, and you might be shocked at how much of your personal world is quietly being mapped, sometimes in ways you never agreed to. Stick around, because I'm going to reveal just how much data brokers know about you, and why this might change how you use the internet forever. Oh, what will you actually get from watching this video? By the end, you'll understand not just what a digital footprint is, but also why it matters more than ever. You'll learn how every online action, from simple clicks to the weirdest midnight searches, forms a detailed profile about you. I'll break down how businesses, data brokers, and even total strangers can use this information, sometimes for your benefit, but often, not so much. Imagine applying for a job, only to find out your social media likes were factored into the decision, or shopping for a vacation and seeing prices jump because of your browsing habits. The knowledge in this video could help you take back some control, protect your privacy, and make smarter choices every single time you go online. Let's dive deep. First, let's define digital footprint. Your digital footprint is the invisible trail of information you leave every time you go online. There are two types: the active footprint, like posts, comments, and uploads you knowingly share, and the passive footprint, the details you don't even realize you're giving away, like your location when you open an app or the websites you linger on most. Every Google search, every online purchase, every time you scroll through memes, your actions are recorded, analyzed, and sometimes even sold. Data brokers build huge profiles, combining things like your favorite foods, vacation spots, shopping habits, and even how fast you type. Sounds straight out of a spy movie, right? But it's real. For example, have you ever noticed ads following you around after looking at a product once? That's your digital footprint in action. And it's not just ads. Insurers, employers, and even schools can tap into this data. Did you know that just clicking agree on a cookie banner hands over info about your interests, device, even your mood based on browsing patterns? Let's look at a real-world case. A job applicant was rejected not for her resume, but because an algorithm flagged her interests based on her social media activity. Another story, a man received discounts after being profiled as a loyal customer, just because he liked a store's posts. Your digital footprint is real currency online. If you care about privacy or want to feel more in control, understanding your digital footprint is your first line of defense. Have you ever Googled yourself and been surprised at what pops up? What's the weirdest ad that's ever followed you around the web? I'd love to hear your stories in the comments. Think about this. If a stranger could piece together your habits, dreams, and secrets from your online behavior, what might they find? Share your experiences below. Are you worried, curious, or maybe a bit of both? If this is making you rethink how you use the web, stick with us for more eye-opening reveals about your online world. Let's recap. Today, you learned that your digital footprint is more than just a tech buzzword. It's a living, breathing record of almost everything you do online. You now know the difference between active and passive footprints, why both matter, and how companies use this data to influence your opportunities, ads, and even your privacy. Most importantly, you've picked up the knowledge to start protecting yourself and be smarter about your digital choices. If you found this insightful and want to keep exploring the secrets behind your everyday technology, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Together, we'll keep uncovering what's really going on behind the screen. And here's the kicker. This isn't just important. It's urgent. With new data privacy laws popping up, companies are changing how they track and use data. But you're still at the center. Right now, your digital life is being shaped in ways the world's never seen before. The sooner you grab control over your digital footprint, the more empowered you'll be today and in the digital future. Don't wait until it's too late to see what your online history says about you.